coming.
Coming.
Go on. That guy don't know his shadow from a hole in the ground.
You'll freeze to death if you stay here.
And you won't have any food either.
Don't worry about me. I got plenty of food. And right now, I'm going swimming. Must be hard water in this lake. Blow your head off. See if I can. It's nice and warm here, and I got plenty of food. Go on and blow. Hey, come back here with my food.
I'm that hungry little kitty cat you just read about. I'm so hungry I could eat a woodpecker. Yeah, that's it.
Pardon me, buddy. That's probably the grocery man. Come in. You're just in time for dinner.
Yeah? What are you going to have for dinner?
I'm going to have cat.
Yeah?
Let me take your scarf.
You know, I think that pigeon tried to choke me.
You must be pretty cold, buddy.
No, I ain't cold.
Oh, yes, you are. Step over by the fire and get warm for dinner. Oh, boy. Feline fricassee.
pigeon. I'm going to pick you dry.
a rainy day. Never mind that cloud, behind that cloud you'll find a golden rain. All's well, laugh your fears away. See the light ahead, right ahead. There's a moonlit night ahead. Everyone, come on, have fun.
Pants, blankets.
Good morning, Mayor. Going camping?
Good morning, Gabby. Pans, food, matches,
Oh, boy, camping. That's right up my alley.
bed,
Yep,
pots,
yep,
fishing pole.
yep. We got everything. When do we start?
What do you mean we? I'm going camping by myself, alone, solo. See?
Camping. Boy, oh, boy. Fresh mountain air. Away from it all. Griddle cakes, animals. Why, I caught a bear one time with my naked hands. Grizzly Gabby, they calls me. Caught
I forgot something.
your pipe?
Huh? Yeah, that's it. My pipe.
Well, let's get it. Now I know just the spot for it. It's way up in the mountains. That's the nature. That's what I call it. The great outdoors. A man's country. Take a good whiff. See? That's fresh air. And there's your lake, and trees, birds, and flowers, and all kinds of things and stuff like that there. Huh? Hey! That ain't no way to set up a tent. Ready to move in. It's a cinch when you know how to do it. Don't you want to rest a bit? What comfort. You measure the height, figure the square root and round numbers, and make a mark.
going to do something. Get me out of here. I'm wondering, I can't... Get me out of here! Now look what you've done. You ruined everything. Where am I going to sleep tonight? You little...
Don't get excited, Mayor, old boy. All that you need is a hammock and a couple of branches, and you can have the stars for a blanket. Ah! This is the life. Huh? Oh, let me down.
Customer, make 'em very hoot.
No. I want Tom-Tom.
Me give 'em Tom-Tom.
Oh, thank you.
Oga, umana hama.
Oh. Oh, I want to buy that.
Take 'em,
Oh, they're gone.
Make 'em spring.
Look at the fun they're having. Make cute.
Don't make 'em smoke, don't make 'em fire. Make 'em hot. Heap big point.
Oh, is he a little darling?
Hello, good.
Oh. Look at him.
Funny fella. Uh-oh, we gotta go. So long.
Oh, what's the matter with her? That's no pot. That's Tom-Tom.
Tom-Tom?
Uh-huh. Look, like this. Big Indian brave. Just beat that drum and make it come the swing like brave. Princess White Wing, don't feel forlorn. Grind out that corn and make it swing. Come and violin, trombone make it sing. Super boy, simple thing. Yes, that's what
So long, everybody. Oh.